I picked up a hopefully really nice USB microphone, Neewer, Neewer, or Neewer. Not sure always how to pronounce these things, but seeing their stuff. May even have a product or two of theirs. Not certain. Pretty sure that I do, but don't want to get myself in trouble promising anything. So the box came a whole lot bigger than I was expecting, and wow, I hope that's several languages because otherwise that's a lot of, yeah, good. That's a really big instruction manual. Um, but I will glance through all that and make sure I'm setting it up and using it correctly. But it's got the mount here and the pop filter, pop screen kind of thing. Very nice. And clamping mechanism there. So looks well insulated and protected in here. So and USB cord, the big clamp for the actual unit here, foam, and microphone itself. So gain control, cardioid, that's kind of what I'm looking for here. And, guess that will light up if we mute it, or is that a mute button? I'll have to see. And mounting type hardware over here, so the shock mount type thing. And it's a little bit in the foam there. And then a arm to hold it out where you need to be. So let me look at all the instructions there and get using it. All right, this is a test just using my laptop's built-in microphone. And this is a recording using a headset microphone wired that I frequently use. And this is a recording using the Neewer microphone, literally the Neewer. Assume I pronounced that right. The new microphone. Let's hear how that sounds.